morning, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. I am Devin from Broken Enduro. As you can see in front of me, we are on our group ride. We're here in the Santa Clarita, Valencia area. We got, I think I counted 26 people. We're on our way over to the trailhead right now. Pretty solid freaking turnout. So I think we got a 66.6 mile ride today, which is fun. Led by Jon the Baptist. We're stopping at the Rock Inn for lunch. Should be a very fun day. So if you can see through this dust right here in front of me, I've got Kel on the left and Jon on the right. These are the two guys that make the best freaking GoPro mount in the world for helmets for your GoPro. Each one's custom molded to the specific helmet, so you get a perfect fit. Their channel's the Wannabes. Been riding with the club for quite a while. Really good dudes. Awesome videos. Really, really good riders. They ride a lot. So we're stopping up here. Kilborn and the Borrowed Boy and Jared are meeting us here. Pick up a few more guys and then hop to it. What's up, dude?
How are ya?
There's a lot of people.
Yeah. Devin, that's my buddy Dale. Devin.
I know Dale.
You know Dale?
Yeah, I think so. I can't see under the goggles, but I think this is the Dale I know. It is, yeah.
Okay, good.
Good to see you, man.
Oh, boy.
The battery's dead? Yeah. How old is this bike, buddy?
0.3 hours. The battery is nuts.
Oh, I freaking love it. You guys make this too easy. Yeah. Alright, so we're all of like no miles in the ride so far. Alan has a brand new beta that he literally picked up yesterday. It's having all sorts of weird issues. I don't know if it's like, we swapped the battery with Roberts, but the starter has like a really weak start when it gets to the compression stroke. So they're screwing around with it for a while and got it to where at least, I guess Alan's happy with it at least, but yeah, interesting way to start the ride. Like literally just rolled into the dirt.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Nobody makes it.
Nobody's making it?
Not many. Many try, not many.
So a lot of people are gonna be going around?
Jade.
Freaking bees or something. You okay, Jon?
I did the same thing I did when I broke my foot.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Hold up!
Where's your bike?
Up there?
Go get your bike, man. You're fine.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just a little bruised up. No big deal.
Holy crap. It's like a ladder. Right here, Jon. Oh man, I gotta quit walking up these hills.
Dude, I know, it's so much harder than riding, right?
Alright, GoPro malfunction. It froze, it's back. I don't know exactly how much it got, but it's been a chaotic ride, for sure. Matt crashed, Kilborn crashed. Kilborn crashed on his drone, so look out for that footage. He'll have that up long before this though. Go back and look at it. Remember it. Shoot him a little giggle. That's an ugly hole, dude.
What's that?
That was an ugly hole right there.
The last guy?
Yeah. So I got little John out here in front of me. This is his first club ride back since he broke his leg last, I don't know, whenever that was. April maybe? Oh, he's doing really well. Hello, little single track. It is freaking hot today. Holy cow. Oh crap, I missed that one. Oh! Yeah. You look like me, but a little more here and a little less there.
Yeah. We had the right idea though.
Yeah, I wanted to cool off.
Yeah.
Who wants a hug?
What did you do?
I played. The water's nice and cool.
It does feel nice actually.
Yeah, come here, give me a hug. Oh yeah, it's good stuff.
Motorboat.
That's a good one.
Yeah, you pay good money for a spa like that.
Damn, you went really hard.
All sorts of wacky things going on with my GoPro. I don't know what it is. Might just be the heat in this battery. That and I run it like, oh, wrong gear. I don't run it the way the manufacturer wants you to run it. That was fun. Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh, dude!
That is not what I expected that to do!
Dude! Your bike was like this! Oh my God, that was freaking awesome! Lunchtime! Alright guys, I'm not exactly sure how much more we got here, so I'm gonna go wrap this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.